Benjamin from Aomeisi Security Camera Company. Today I'm going to show you this very nice solar security camera system. Open the box, come with 4 solar panels and come with 4 cameras, 1, 2, 3, 4. This mounting brick for the solar panel and the USB-C cable and this mounting brick for the security camera. We do this. And like this, perfect. User manual. Inside box we have a NVR. This is very nice NVR from Aomeisi. And USB-C cable and power adapter for the NVR and USB mouse, a HDMI cable, user manual, and a warming paper. And this is the mounting brick for the solar panel. Each solar panel have an mounting brick. And this is the Superstar Aomeisi solar camera body. Come with 2 lines, 2 PIR sensor. And this camera has a pan and tilt function. Perfect. Actually, you can adjust this angle manually. Perfect. Right now we can set it up. The first step, you have to power on this NVR. Use this power adapter. And this have a little line. Little right line, this means this NVR is already turned on. And we have a HDMI cable connect to your monitor. Do this and we have an image. Perfect. And we have a mini USB mouse connect to the NVR. This is mini USB. And alright, we have set it up, and the most important things, you have to turn on this camera. This is a mini bottom, power bottom, press this bottom, and camera will be turned on. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect. Right now we have an image on the monitor. Good, perfect. Wow, after we connect this camera system to the monitor and we do the right click the mouse, go to the system setup and account and app. We have go to the scan this QR code for the Eseecloud. Download from App Store or the Google Play. My phone is Android phone, so I just go to the Google Play, search Eseecloud application, Eseecloud, Eseecloud. Search it. There is a blue icon. This is little blue icon, Eseecloud. I already have it, so I just open it. Open the Eseecloud and click this little add button. Add it. Add device.
Device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
You can slide it, or you can click the scan QR code. Start scanning. And this is the Cloud ID for the camera system. You can just scan this QR code. Scan it, alright. Scan QR code. Configuring the device. You can name your camera system at any name. I named it to the AWTS604 kit. Next. Perfect. You can click this play button to play live view of the camera. Awesome. And if there are any other questions, just email us at support@aomeisi.vip. You are the very important person for us. Your instructions are very important to us. Enjoy your camera, enjoy your life. Life is fantastic.